Hello, welcome to today's educational video tutorial on how to transfer Cardano, that is ADA, from a crypto exchange to your Tangem wallet. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to transfer ADA coins to your Tangem hardware wallet within a few minutes. If today's the first time we're meeting, hi, I'm Napoleon, your trusted money coach. Follow me on all social media platforms for more educational content on investing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the like button. Thank you so much for your support. So let's jump right in. How to transfer Cardano to your Tangent hardware wallet. So today's video tutorial is going to be done on my phone, so you can also follow the same logic if you're doing this from your desktop, okay, or your laptop. So step one, log into your preferred crypto exchange. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be using Index. So if you are a Canadian resident, Index is one of the best platforms to use. So go ahead and log into Index right on your phone. So once you're logged into Index, I'm going to check my wallet. I have about $65. So I'm going to be using some of the $65 to just quickly pick up some ADA coins. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the arrow pointing to the right at the bottom. I'm going to click on trade. So I want to buy some ADA coins. So I'm going to buy, I'm just going to say I'm going to buy 20 ADA coins, or I can even make it, let's make it 50. So I'm going to be buying 50 ADA coins. So that's about $20 Canadian. So I'm just going to click on buy. Order successfully placed. So I got a confirmation. My order has been processed. So now that we've bought some ADA coins, the next thing is to transfer it to our Tangem hardware wallet. If you don't have a Tangem hardware wallet, you can click in the description below and you're going to access the correct website to get your own Tangem hardware wallet. And don't forget to use my discount code Blooming to get 10% off your order. Again, the discount code is Blooming to get 10% off your order. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, we're going to click on our wallet. So under, you can see that we have two tabs. We have crypto and we have fiat. Okay, so I'm going to click on crypto. I'm going to click on ADA. You can see right at the bottom, it shows deposit or withdraw. So I'm going to click on the withdraw button. So this is where I'm going to input the number of ADA that I want to send to my Tangem wallet. And right at the bottom here, you can see where it says ADA wallet address. So this is where I'm going to paste my ADA wallet address. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do, step two, you're going to log into your Tangem app right on your phone. So go ahead and do that. So right now, you can see that this is my Tangem app. So I'm going to scroll to the bottom. I'm going to click on manage tokens. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see Cardano. So I'm going to click on that. You can see that it shows me different available networks. So I'm just going to click on everything. Depending on the crypto exchange that you're using, there might be the option to just have the Cardano main network. There might also be the option for you to send it via the Binance Beacon chain or the Smart chain. So I'm going to click on Save Changes. So right here, you can see on the screen, it's telling me that I need to scan my card. That is my Tangem hardware wallet. So what I'm going to do, just the same way that it's being demonstrated, I'm going to just move my card right behind my phone. So just go ahead and do that. Just behind your phone, and within a few seconds, it's literally done. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see here, it's already showing me that I've already added Cardano to my Tangem hardware wallet. So right on my Tangem wallet, you can see that I selected 3 different networks. So you can see the Cardano network with Beacon and also the Smart chain. So, but the one that I'm using is the one at the bottom here. So next I'm going to click on Cardano right in my Tangem wallet. So this is the only one that I'm going to be using. You can see right here it says send only Cardano from Cardano network. So on Index, the only available network is the Cardano network, okay? So make sure that you're sending to the right network, okay? I'm going to copy this. You can see copy, okay? So now I'm going to replace this address here. Then you can then send this. You can see it shows network Cardano. I'm going to click on confirm. So then I need to confirm this withdraw from my email. Click on OK. And I'm going to log into my email to confirm this withdrawal. So now we need to wait for this to come in. Okay, so I'm going to log back into my Tangem wallet, and you can see within a few minutes the Cardano that we sent from Index is now in my Tangem wallet. The Tangem Wallet is just a very, very simple and easy to use crypto hardware wallet. This is very, very beginner friendly, or even if you're a crypto expert, this also comes in very, very handy. It's shaped like a credit card and it just makes moving crypto from one platform to another simple. And if you don't have a Tangem wallet or you want to get one, scroll down to the description area below for the correct link to the website. And don't forget to use my discount code Blooming for 10% off your order. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the like button. Thank you so much for your support. For one-on-one coaching with me, check out the link in the description below and book a free 30-minute session on my website. Until then, I'm Millionaire, your trusted money coach.